Hello my kings and queens, welcome back to another video. As you can see, I attempted the inverted look that's been going on Instagram. Everyone's been doing it, so I just thought, why not try it? So without further ado, let's get to the video. So I just start off by priming my face with my aloe vera that I get from Target. It's really makes my skin glow and it's just really nice. Then I just divide my face in half for the makeup. Then I go in with my Pro Concealer and conceal my eyelids as well. Then I go ahead and contour. I can never open that thing. And I just contour regularly. Boom, now it's time to bake at 350 degrees for 5 minutes. Then we're gonna carve out my brow. Much easier to do it because I only have to carve out one. Wipe off our bake, and then I'm gonna go in with this like nice brown color on my lid. Then I'm going with this like burnt orange color on my lid, and then blend that in. Wipe the sides, and then go in with this gold glittery color into my crease. Pop a lash on, and then I wanted to fix my contour because it wasn't deep enough for me. It wasn't like you couldn't really see. Then I went in with some highlight, and then oh honey, time to do my lips. Don't taste the aloe vera, it's very gross. Believe me, it's gross. Cute little lippy, woo. Now it's time for the other side. So I basically just went in with all of the blue eyeshadows that I could find. That brush didn't work, so then I had to go much more pigmented, and this took a long time. So I just sped up the process so you guys didn't have to sit through the hour of me painting one side of my face. JK, it wasn't an hour, but still. I then went in with a lighter greenish blue color to give it a bit of highlights in it. Then I tried to contour it with black. Then it was time for the white. So I started off by carving out my brow. Kind of got hard because white was kind of turning blue. So I just went in with the white eyeshadow, the blue eyeshadow, and I came back to my brow at the end. Then I just rubbed the white eyeliner onto my lashes. Dusted on some highlight to kind of add some highlight into my skin. Then it was time for my lips, and I just went in with that greenish blue eyeshadow from my Jaclyn Hill palette and just put that all over my lips. Then looking at Nikki's picture, she had a little dark shadows around her nose and mouth, so I added that, and then in my eye and my brow bone, and boom. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a big old thumbs up. Here's my aunt. Give it a thumbs up, and I'll be doing her makeup in a video.
Me! She'll do my makeup in a video.
And here's my mom too. I might do her makeup too.
Oh Jesus! You gotta go.
Yeah.
Hi. I ain't kissing her. She look weird on that
side. You may not want to get. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at SierraAndrea, and my other Instagram at SierraMakeup, and my Twitter at SierraAndrea, and my TikTok at SierraAndrea. Follow me on TikTok. Get me to 100K. We're at 94K. So I'll see you guys next week. Bye.